Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the gift that I got the other day, actually 4 days ago. So my new toy in the kitchen. It is a powerful blender. Oh, wait, like that. Yeah. So let's see. So first, I'm gonna show you guys. This is unboxing thing. So I'll show you guys. So this is the booklet or the guide that you can look at if you don't know how to use it for first time. So let's see what's inside. So this is the picture. It's plastic. It smells good. It looks like a Ninja, but it's not. It's a Salton brand. Salton brand. So I have to do like this. This should be in here, yeah. And let's open the other one. Okay. Oh, what's a nice stand in here. Look. It's a red color. Look at that, guys. Very nice. And I like the color too. It's red. Make some color in my kitchen because it's all black and white. Okay, so that's it. So like that, Salton brand. So in this Salton compact power blender, you can make a smoothie, and then also you can make soup and then reheat it. And then when we're missing one item, this one. So this one is to use. Oh wait, I'll show you guys. Gonna move a little bit in the light. Okay. So these guys, we should use the box. We should use the box as a stand. Okay. Move that a little bit. Move and put this so you can see, guys. There you go. Alright, there you go. So guys, here's the new blender that I got. It's very nice. As you can see, the knob is like a Ninja style. So when you use it, just turn it on and then you adjust it. What's the speed, and then pause, and then turn it off. So let's see the English one. So in this blender you can make some smoothie, some soup or salsa. And this booklet also includes the recipe on what kind of a smoothie would you like to make. Let's say if you want to make fruit and berry smoothie, super green, keto, acorn, mayonnaise. You can also make mayonnaise in it. Sriracha aioli, avocado tzatziki dip, which is really good. It's very healthy. And also it shows you the instruction in here. So that's what it looks like. And the avocado, the super green, which is they use all greens like apples or kale and everything, that kind of stuff. So this is the soup, healthy soup, sriracha aioli, and then the mayonnaise, so you don't need to keep buying in the grocery store. Avocado tzatziki, which is so easy. You just need cucumber, avocado, green onions, lemon zest, whipped cream cheese, yogurt, garlic powder, and also you can make fresh salsa. Let's say if you have some guests coming over, you can make some guacamole. You can also make peanut butter, which is you only need peanuts and 4 cups of, oh actually that's is only peanuts, see? You only need peanut. So yeah, so that's it guys. I'm gonna show you guys later when I make the smoothie, and I'm gonna demonstrate how to use it, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like my unboxing today, and stay safe guys, and God bless. Thank you. If you like this video, please click and like and share. Thank you. Bye.